Hello all, welcome to our weekly video analysis and we start of course with what else Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally breaks below to $20,000. This level supposed to be very important previous high 2017 blah 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 and okay, to be honest, I'm not surprised at all because my target, the chart target since the break of head and shoulders last winter showed us 16,000. The ones that follow us remember this. Okay, we approached. This was given here from 43,000. So now we traded back down to 70,000. We can say target is fulfilled. But let's see what's gonna happen now. As we see in the chart, there is literally no support below until we hit this previous 2019 high at just below 14k, 13,500 something. So I believe we're gonna see the slide next week down to this area, 13,000, 30,000, and the trend is so bearish that okay, below 20,000 they ran some stops, and I was expecting, to be honest, to have a nice spike up as we have had in other previous equal important support levels, and not as big as 20,000. And now we see that we have had this reaction yesterday and today morning that barely lead above 20,000. This means that we broke the support and now it has become resistance. So I'm afraid we are gonna see a big sell-off soon. Continuation, I mean, of this big sell-off. Because in 1 week we came from 30,000 down to 17. It's almost 45% drop. Huge moves. Sorry for the hodlers, but we're not gonna see 100k soon. if ever. Anyway, let's move to serious market now. Euro USD. What to say here? It has been a big roller coaster. Really big. Now seems to be testing the double bottom at 10350, and we have had 200 pips, 2,500 pips rally, and now we are just below 105. This is the pivot, I think. Above it's bullish, below it's bearish. So we are just in zero level, let's say. To be honest, I don't know. Maybe we see it's 50-50 to see a move 100 pips down or 100 pips up. For next week strategy, I suggest scalping because nobody knows really the situation here. Of course, the long-term trend has not changed a bit. It's too bearish, but because the move was huge, we might see another correction back up to test 108 or even 112, 114. Okay, this is weekly chart. But really, guys, for now, sorry I disappoint you, but I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know what euro is gonna do. The odds are 50-50, really. We must see tomorrow price action in smaller time frames and decide to go for 50, 40, 100 pips. We see tomorrow. Almost same situation in the cable. Of course, the long-term trend is to the downside. We almost touched 118. We had 119.20 low. And we have had a relief rally of 400 pips, now corrected almost half on Friday. And now we are sitting just below, just above 122. 122 is the pivot here. Above it's bullish, below it's bearish. Choose your side. I don't know really. No idea here too. Okay, let's have a quick look at gold. Gold has been trading inside the usual $150 range. It is the middle now. I'm long-term bullish on gold. Of course, I like buying the dips, selling the rips. It's easy money strategy. Okay, let's see USD CAD. It's very interesting. Finally, we have had 101.3 target hit. Now tested this high here and reversed. What to say here? It's very mixed. A lot of factors here of commodity prices, oil prices. If we see weekly chart, we are on the upper side of the range. I wouldn't get too excited to get long here unless something very big happens in the oil market. I would like to sell any rallies for short scalping trades here too. Trading has become very difficult, guys. Don't know about you, but it's very tough market now in almost all instruments. Okay, AUD USD. Here it's a little bit more clear. The trend here is a little bit more dovish. I expect this sell-off to continue, but who knows? Below 70, 070 is the pivot here. Above it's bullish, below it's bearish. So for now we are bearish, and as we see, I see at least 68.50 lows to be tested again. Let's see USD yields. After the big move, we have had a correction last 2 days. But the trend here, of course, to the downside. So this is the inverse chart. This is price chart. So yields are going up. What else you gonna see? Okay, let's see stocks. Okay, stocks are very interesting. As I said on Friday, I believe we are near, if not have seen the lows of one reaction higher, and I explain. Okay, pretty much everybody is bearish now, but we have had hit the target here below 30,000, and I expect at least one reaction higher. Let me clone this. You see, we are in this channel now, so I see the odds are for 2,000 points rally to test this trend line and this high. So I believe buying the dips now, it's the way to go. Same here for S&P. We have had hit our target 63, okay, almost 20. We missed it for a few points, and I expect a reaction higher here again to test 4K, and then continuation to the downside. Okay, that's all for today. I try to keep videos short. We are gonna have a lot of updates in the Twitter feed as always. Thank you all for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.